Good morning, America.
Today we're playing Chance or Chug.
Are you ready to chance or chug?
Always.
First, you must choose a dealer. Mr. Les over here. The dealer is gonna have the player to their left guess what the top card is. The player has 2 chances to get it right.
After each guess, the dealer places the card on the game board that corresponds with the card.
For every 3 players that the dealer stumps, they get to pass the deck.
When the cards run out, whoever is the dealer at the end of the game is the ultimate loser. Loser. Loser.
Pass the deck.
Pass the deck.
Goal, pass the deck. Cheers.
Okay, I'm gonna guess that it's an 8. You have to tell me higher or lower.
Higher or lower?
You tell me.
Oh, lower.
A 4.
6.
A 6. Stumped. You got 1 down.
2 more to go. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna guess that it's a 10.
Lower.
A 3.
Wrong.
Stumped 2.
A 9.
You're killing the game. A jack.
Lower.
A 5.
Ooh, you got it.
I got it. That means you got a drink. And now you start over.
J.
Lower.
A 7.
A 2.
Ooh, a spin.
There I go.
A
Dealer
shucks
shucks.
times 4.
1.
2. 3. 4.
6.
Oh my God, you're a witch!
You're literally a witch.
Voodoo.
Drink.
Holy moly. This is getting scary, guys.
Channeling my witchy powers.
7.
Lower.
5.
No, you got an 8th, girl. So that means I'm passing this to you.
Now you get to guess.
But
and probably drink again.
I'm gonna say an 8. I'm gonna stick to the 8. It needs to come out.
Lower.
A 7.
No.
Oh!
3.
Okay, I'm gonna go with a 3.
Higher.
A 5.
Ooh.
And
Woo! I got
spin.
it! So who spins?
What did you do?
I'm guessing you failed, so you spin it. Okay.
Make a rule.
Cool.
Oh, hell no.
Every time you talk, you have to laugh right after.
So stupid. A 7. Haha.
Lower than that?
Give me a 4. Haha.
It's gotta be lower than that.
Damn! Haha.
Ace.
Higher.
Give me that freaking 7.
No. But I'll give you a spin.
Oh, I almost did a 4. Woo!
You're forgetting to laugh, so you have to drink.
Finish your drink.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Chug, 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 chug.
The board is filling up.
I'm gonna keep saying 8. Haha.
Lower, haha.
A 5. Haha.
You're right, haha.
Wow!
Shit. All right, Sam. Oh my God.
You're stuck
Can
again.
I not have this deck for
I don't
once
think
in my
I
life?
had it.
You're stuck again.
Okay. Give me a 2.
No higher.
4.
Spin.
Oh. Oh, she passed the deck.
Thank God.
Make a rule.
Haha.
Another rule. Before you drink, you have to say, ooh, I'm thirsty. Every time.
Haha.
Haha.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna go with 8.
Lower.
Lower? A 4.
No, a 2.
It looks like I'm drinking.
No. The rule.
I mean, I'm thirsty. Haha.
Okay, I haven't had this thing. It's warm. Okay. Go. Who is it? You?
An 8.
Oh, 2. Higher.
Well, a queen.
Yeah, good job. Oh wait, that's bad for me.
You need to drink.
You need
haha.
to drink.
Oh, haha, I'm thirsty. Haha.
I'm gonna go with Jack.
Lower.
An 8.
No, spin. It's a 7.
Choose someone to drink.
I choose Sam for making me drink. Haha.
I'm thirsty. Haha. I'll drink.
8.
Go.
Yeah! Finally!
gotta drink again. Thirsty me. Haha.
I'm gonna go with an 8.
An 8?
Mm-hmm.
Higher. Lower.
Lower.
Okay.
Down to the wire.
So I'm gonna go with either 5, 4, or ace. Ace.
It's a 4. Spin!
Damn.
Finish
Finish your
your drink.
drink.
Oh man. Well, it was almost finished anyway, so I'm thirsty.
8.
Lower.
A 5.
An ace!
No, you get the tag.
Because you got it wrong, and it's an ace.
the
And it's a spin.
And a spin.
You know what?
I need
oh my
free space.
God.
Oh, you're good.
Okay, 8.
Higher.
Higher? Okay, what's left?
No.
Jack.
Oh. I'm thirsty. Haha.
So I'm gonna go with 8.
Higher.
Queen.
You're stuck.
Down to the wire. I mean, we all know I'm gonna lose. It's only 3 cards.
Oh my god, there's only 3 cards? Okay. 8.
You got it. I'm thirsty. Haha.
It's either 5 or an 8. So I'm gonna go with 8.
Lower. You're the wiener.
I won, Sam. You're the biggest loser here. We love
You're still the
you.
ultimate winner in our hearts.
Yes, we chanced and we chugged. Cheers.